Well, it's a beautiful day here in Dixie. Sun's shining. It's going to be a fine day. I've been talking about cleaning this mess up, so I'll get with it today. And I was kind of wondering where to put this engine lift, and I moved them ugly looking bad shelves from over there. I was thinking, well, that would fit up underneath that shelf, and that would mostly get it out of the way. Down on the floor there, I got some bumpers and a 33 Plymouth front axle and part of an engine stand, and I could take that all back down yonder where that building is. Oh, listen to them birds. You hear that? Let's go listen to this bird. I love that. I love that. So, the problem with this is every time I have a flat surface, I pile stuff all over it, and then I have to figure out what to do with the stuff. And I need to figure out what to do with this stuff right here that I was using to work on that thing the other day. Pieces and parts and leftover bits and things here. I don't think I'm going to keep the camera running while I'm doing what I'm doing right now, which is figuring all this out. In fact, a lot of stuff like these drill bits need to go in the drawer over there. Drill bits, yeah, bits and fasteners. I'm going to turn the camera off, do some organizing, and I'll be back. Okay, I spent the day getting the bigger stuff kind of out of the way. I had these two little shelves that I used to have out on the front porch. I put them here basically to hold this box. And when I was up in Maine, I had a big tall box of drawers, and I had things in it, various things that, and like this here is for an air hammer, like pickle forks and stuff like that. And I think I've got a steering wheel puller in here and a harmonic balancer puller, and just various sundry things. Some of these are for trying to get the door handles off of an American-made car. This is a universal transmission shaft pilot bearing tool, clutch tool, and stuff like that. And I had this box that I thought I was going to use for something else. I just decided I'd put it here. That'll give me some places to put some stuff. I had a lot of big tools, and I'm just putting those in these kind of boxes like this because they take up an awful lot of room in a toolbox. And I had some Harbor Freight tools. I put them in a separate toolbox and put them in the back of the Rambler just for some backup wrenches and sockets to have in it. Got this lift kind of taken apart and moved over here. I've got a spot here for my torch. As soon as I get my oxygen tank that's in the back of the Dodge, I can see if I can get that torch to work again. And I found my wire for the welder, which is maybe kind of on my list of things to do tomorrow. These are air tools. These are welding things. This is some new welding wire and some welding tips and various things to go with that. These are drill bits and pliers and adjustable wrenches and screwdrivers, and I got to sort these out, but these are all of my wrenches from here and there, all of the good ones, all of the Craftsman ones, and these are the small drive sockets over here. We got more sockets in here. It's a small drive, bigger drive ratchets, medium drive ratchets, big sockets. This is kind of odds and ends drawer. So a lot of these are brake tools that Cutworm gave me, and I got some Allen wrenches and some different things, bolt breakers and stuff like that in here. And These are all these little things that you put in your screwdriver gun for these torque bits and stuff. And I want to sort this stuff, all of this stuff, a lot better. These are clamps, welding clamps and stuff. I've got a lot more crowbars, but I was thinking I'd put stuff like that in here. Oh, got an empty drawer there. Drills and things. So I mean, that's where we are. I got that table out of here, and I got this one cleaned off a little bit. You know, there's a lot of stuff on the shelves here that could stand to be organized, but I've got room to do that now that I've put other things kind of away. So I'll be working on that next. It's easier for me. So that's what I did today. Nothing too spectacular, like getting stuck in a flood in New Jersey, but you know, progress is still being made. I love y'all. Hope you're having a good day. If you're not, get over it. Look at that. Doesn't that look tasty? You wish you had some, don't you? That's cinnamon and vinegar and lemon juice and honey. Yeah, baby.